This is the keyboard, portable keyboard slim AIT. So it works with a lot of other Samsung Galaxy units. S10 Lite, S10 Lite 5G, S10 FE, this is what I have right now. S10 FE 5G, S9, S9 5G, S9 FE, S9 FE 5G. So it works with a lot of things. So let me see. Open it here. They're very good with their seal. Pretty good with their seal that they put in here. It's an empty box. Here it is. What else do we have here? Quick start, how to use it, and then that's it. Open this one here. That's what it looks like. It's black. And I would assume that this is the keyboard. This is the back. It's the keyboard right here. That's a decent size, I guess. If you do a lot of work in your tablet. Oh, okay. So that's the contact here. This one here. That's the one for this one here. This. There we go. So it's going to be like that. Let's put it like that. There we go. So this one here, this, that, and this goes here. The slot here. This and that one here. Let's put this right here. Here. This and this one. So the way it works is you put it here like that. It's like magnetic too. And then this one, you just put it like that, and then it goes there, and that's it. So easy. Right here. And like that. Put it back. You just put it forward or in the back of the tablet. And then you adjust it right there. So there you go. That's how you do it. That and so this hole here is for the camera, so just put it like that there. See, that's the camera here. Just put it on like a triangle, like that, and then there. Pretty easy. It's like magnetic too. There we go. Easy. If you are interested to check this out, I will provide a link in the description below. Pretty easy to use. And then, with that, there you go. And then put on the tablet, lift this on an angle right here. And then this one is flat. With that and with that. So the camera is still usable here, and it fits this one. This one here. There. So that must be a storage area. Oh wow, this is actually magnetic too. See? That's that one is flat on one side here, and it's magnetic there. See, it's magnetic. Oh, only in this one. It doesn't magnetize here. Only here. So okay, so must be a storage. So easy. And if you need it, just grab it here or store it back right here. That's pretty cool. That's a nice feature right here. If you are interested to check this out, I will provide a link in the description below. So you just use it if you need it. If not, you can put it back here and store it. Or when you're done, just that, and there you go.